Bitcoin had a huge day yesterday. You can see that we had big volatility, a big move towards the downside, big bounce, and now we are going down again. So the question is, are we going to continue to go down or what is going to happen? Well, for most people, they only looked at the price action yesterday and they actually missed the massive breakthroughs we actually saw yesterday for Bitcoin. So guys, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end. I will talk you through everything you need to know if you are holding any crypto at all. Welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it guys, and what you can see is that yesterday we did have a big push towards $69,500 actually, and this not only broke through the orange line right here, but also it broke through what you can see here on the daily time frame, but I want to show you this on the 2-day time frame. So you can see that we actually did manage to push above this resistance level right here as well. But then we ultimately had a pullback and we are still facing this as resistance. So right here on this massive pattern, which we've been talking about for quite a while, we still haven't seen that confirmed breakout from this point. So this is still something that we are fighting with, but like I said, there were some massive breakthroughs yesterday that a lot of people are not paying attention to. But what I want to show you also is that even with this pullback, we still managed to get a higher high here for Bitcoin. So that is all good. And if you look at the support and resistance levels, you can see that right now we do have the next resistance at 66,700. So this one is a big one, and actually if I go to the daily time frame, you can see how crazy this candle is on the daily time frame, how we've been trading. This was a swing between 66,600 and 69,500. So $3,000 swing here within this candle, which was, yeah, this just goes to show how volatile yesterday actually was. But if I flip on the moving averages, you can see that the big support levels, this orange box at $63,000 is really, really strong right now. And then we have the 200-day moving average here, or the 100-day moving average, this purple line at 64,600. So if we lose this $66,700 level, this orange line, we do still have big support down here. So that is all fantastic. Let's see when we can get more momentum and break through this point here as well. I do think it's only a matter of time. So for traditional markets, they are opening up this evening. So let's see on the traditional markets if we can have a continuation towards the upside, because you can see that we ended the week with a big green candle. So that is all great. Now, let us talk about the big breakthroughs you saw yesterday, because Donald Trump had a speech yesterday, and apparently the speech he had actually disappointed the market, because ultimately we did end up going down lower after the speech. But this was huge. So what he said is that the US is going to become the crypto capital of the world. He said to create strategic Bitcoin reserves for the US. So we know that they already have several $billion worth of Bitcoin that they're holding. So they're going to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve for the United States. He's going to fire Gary Gensler. Fantastic. Stable coins are going to be promoted. He's going to end Operation Choke Point 2.0. If you don't know what this is what they came out with, I think like 2 years ago or such, where they proposed a bunch of stuff to essentially make it harder for everyone to use crypto. So that is the gist of it. So they're going to end that, which is fine. They're going to bring crypto mining to the US. So this is all fantastic. So if he actually gets elected and all of these things becomes reality, then that is fantastic. So what are the odds of him getting elected? So it's currently 57% that he's going to be the next president. So the probability is pretty good. I like these probabilities. So let's see if this is actually going to happen and if he is actually going to fulfill all of these things. One thing I wanted to say is that there's also been a couple of different reports that Kamala Harris is actually trying to propose also more crypto-friendly stuff if she gets elected. So she is the second favorite, obviously. So it's going to be one of these people. So we will see, guys. But obviously we want Donald to win if you are bullish on crypto and you want to see your bags go up. So here's what to be ready for this week. You have Tuesday is a big day, Wednesday is a big day, Thursday and Friday. So throughout this week, it's a fairly big week, guys. So you're going to have a bunch of data being released, which is going to impact the crypto prices as well. Now, the miner capitulation has actually ended here on the hash ribbons. So this typically is a bullish signal. So the hash ribbons, they are flipping positive right now. So the miners, as you know guys, when the halving happened, the miners' revenue got cut in half, the miners' rewards. So they've been struggling, they've been capitulating, they have been selling Bitcoin, but now finally we can start to see that they are becoming profitable again and that they are not needing to sell as much Bitcoin to just stay afloat. So the next meeting when it comes to the interest rates, so there's only a 6% chance that they're gonna cut the interest rate at the next meeting. However, in the next meeting, which is in September, there is a 88% chance that they're gonna cut the interest rates by 0.25%. And then there's 11% that are going to cut it in 0.5%. So essentially, the market thinks that there's no way that they're not going to cut the interest rates in September. So this is obviously something we need to keep our eyes on, obviously, as well. Because if they do not cut the interest rates here in September, and the market believes so, then yeah, that is not going to be good for the markets. But we're still some ways off. So let's see what is going to happen with that. Finally, for my trading strategies, you can see that they've been trading this volatility, and because my second bot here had a big position, this was actually at plus like $5,000 yesterday. Now it went down again because the Bitcoin price went down. It has been accumulating a big position, but everything is still going well. So this one right here is up 10%, almost, no, 9%. So that is fantastic, and these ones continues to make more and more money as time goes by, obviously. And by the way guys, if you want to use these trading strategies yourself or get the best deposit bonuses available out there, first sign up to OKX if you want to use my trading strategies, up to $60,000 by clicking on this link, and then go down, click on this link, which is gonna open up the bot for you. If you cannot use OKX, try to use BitGet to get $40,000 deposit bonuses. Click on this link, sign up, and then go down and click on this link right here, and you can use that bot. Make sure to watch my tutorial at the top of the description, showing you exactly how these bots work and everything. And also, if you just want to trade, you do have up to $30,000 on Bybit by using this link. And then you have AVO. You get a free $300 trade by depositing $100. So no KYC, absolutely fantastic exchange. So make sure to take advantage of that. That's what I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.